angel, angel, what have I done? A face that quakes, the wind, the fire.
Hello, Arkon Rhys here, and as you see, we've just unlocked Origins, which is the original Shadow of the Beast. So let's see if we can put this on for Twitchers as well, and then we'll carry on. Okay, so we have here Shadow of the Beast Retro. Let's do new game. Oh, I haven't played this in like 20 years or something stupid. Oh, the old school music. Oh no, I don't want to skip. Yes, an Amiga game by... what's that? Reflections, isn't it? Yes. Yes, Reflections. Oh, this game was hard as nails, I remember. I never got to the end. That's the stuff. Come in, beastie. No, is it just skipping? That's all we've got at the moment. Options. Oh, paused it. My apologies. My apologies. I mean, just what the hell are they? What the hell are they? Are they mechanical? Are they organic? Who knows? Now, I may not get very far in this because I'm just not good at this anymore. I wasn't super to begin with, but you know, let's see how it goes, eh? Come on then, beast. Yes. As the mist clears, the eerie image of a forest forms in front of you. To the east, a vast plain extends towards the horizon. Westward, however, in the thick of the forest, 1,000 pairs of eyes pierce the mist, glaring despondently back at you. They are despondent because they know that I will fail. Here we go. Oh yes, punch and power. Woo! Let's see, right, so X jump, square, punch, 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 triangle, punch, punch, punch. What's up? That's it, flying kick, flying kick. Whoa, damn it. Oh, that's it. Come on, what's going, what's going? Whoa! Damn it! Let's see, look. Oh, what the hell got me there? Yeah, let's go. Even though I'm jacked, it opens. Ooh. Ooh. Ho, ho, ho. Inside, a winding staircase descends into darkness. Pausing for a while to allow your eyes to adjust, you make your way down the steps, which seem to deteriorate into makeshift planks the further you go. Fun. Oh, what? I dodged that, you annoyance. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, wasp punch. Punch the wall. Yuzza! Whoop! Yep! Yeah! No! Whoop! Come on. Come on then. Come and meet my fist. My fist wants to say hello. damn it. Come on. Oh. Did they get me first? Damn it. I need some health. This thing with these games, you never had health potions, you didn't have checkpoints. This was old school. This was pull your hair out by the roots school. This was. What we got down here? We got a makeshift ladder, and we gotta find something and something on a platter. Yeah. God, this is just how I remember it. See, the might of the PS4 that we can do this nowadays, eh? Fantastic. Hello, what is this then? Come on, give it to me. What is it? Oh! Oh dang it, it was a teleport. See, and got this 16-bit music. Many's the nights I sat up in my bedroom playing this. The Amiga was an awesome machine. And it wasn't my first computer, no. I had a Commodore 64, that's what started me off. And then lived to the Amiga and... oh! Chip key. Oh, you can use the D-pad as well. That's alright. Yeah. I will punch. There we go. Aha! Full strength. Tight, my son. Oh, dang it, look at that. Whoa. Oh, is this the endless snakes? Yes, I think it is. The endless monster generator. Now we've got to move. Yes. Those snakes. I hate snakes. I hate them. I mean, what's the point of this place? I just don't get it. I don't get it at all. Let's go this way. Up. Did I go this way? Yeah, I didn't I? Did I go down here? So there's no map as well. Yeah. Just touching the touchpad, see if that gave you anything, but it does not. What about this way? Oh, what's that? What's that? Who's that? Yup. Ah. Oh, whoa. Take this, you chumps. That's the stuff. Yeah. You like to punch it. I like to punch it. Woohoo! Yeah, find the door open. That's a nice one, mate. Nice one. Oh, bloody hell, don't tell me this is the snake bit. Sod it. Oh, that's it. This might be the best I've ever done in this, actually. I just remember dying many times. Many times. I think I also remember doing things like this and getting so annoyed I couldn't find the door, just going back the way I came. The place is looking down these. It's a maze, I tell you. See, I bet I'm going back on myself now. Right, let's see, what do we find this way? Oh, here we go. Oh, look, we've even got the loading. Just like those floppy disks. Nice. No! Damn it. Come on. Oh, damn it! Well, obviously they're not enough, are they? And now I've died out to start at the bloody beginning again. See, because today you have it too easy. Oh no, I died. Come on. Don't mock me. Get me back to the front screen. Hello? Hello? Anyone there? Get me back. There we are. No, damn it, wrong one. Come on then. Come on then, have a go if you think you're hard enough. Come on, what's going on? There we are. Yep, loading. There we are. Come on, skip it. Mocking me by the key in the picture there. Come on. Skip it, you. There we are. Let's go the other way. There we are. Here we've got the well. A well. Peering over the edge, you discover a rusting iron ladder. It looks fairly sturdy, so you start to make your way downwards. The air becomes noticeably cooler. Feels cool against my skin, eh? Yep. Down we go, because we ain't got anything else to do. That's the stuff. Come on, beast. Come on. With your dodgy blue mankini trunks, whatever. See, look. That's the thing as well. I remember this well now, yeah. I can never bloody get off, look. Doesn't give you any bloody option. Don't know why I keep pressing that. Doesn't do nothing. Yep. Alright, up we go. That was a bit of a bust. Maybe we needed the key from the other area. Oh, yeah, there we are, loading. Perhaps a key would have helped. Yeah. Well. I wish to explore first, my friend. Oh, the heck are you? What's going on? What's with all these chumps? Yazza! Oh. Yeah, come on, push. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, that was too much, wasn't it? Damn it. I'm getting jacked. Ah. No, I'm getting done in by the damn scenery. Whoa. Alright. Whew. Heading into the woods. But the woods aren't safe. We've got these shadow creatures just leaping out and trying to do me over. Yeah. Look at that. See? You stabbed me. Damn it. Oh, I forgot about these. Aye, I'm not gonna make it. Oh. This gives me a little bit of hope, but not very much. Come on. Run, Forrest, run. Damn, that's not the way to do it. Come on. Yes, they bloody do hurt. Ow! Oh. How is it they don't hurt the monsters, you know? Just seems unfair, man. Just seems unfair to me. I mean, look, I'm running all this way. Oh, comes something. Have I found death? What have I found? I think I've almost found death, actually. Here, look at that. No, bloody hell. No! Well, that, peeps, is Shadow the Beast, Amiga 500 style. And it's going to keep me up at night again, trying to get further. Next time I'll try and get the key for the well, but I promise nothing. So, back for my next video coming soon. Good night, y'all. Oh, that's it. Come on, what's coming? What's coming? Oh, damn it! Let's see, look. Oh, what the hell got me there? Yeah, let's go. Even though I'm jacked, it opens. Ooh. Ooh. Ho, ho, ho. Inside, a winding staircase descends into darkness. Pausing for a while to allow your eyes to adjust, you make your way down the steps, which seem to deteriorate into makeshift planks the further you go. Whoop. Fun. Oh, what? I dodged that, you annoyance. Oh. Yeah, wasp punch. Punch the wall. Yuzza! Whoop! Yep! Yeah! No! Whoop! Come on. Come on then. Go and meet my fist. My fist wants to say hello. Damn it. Come on. Ah! How did they get me first? There it. I need some health. This thing with these games, you never had health potions, you didn't have checkpoints. This was old school. This was pull your hair out by the roots school. This was. What we got down here? We got a makeshift ladder. And yes, reflections. Oh, this game was hard as nails, I remember. I never got to the end. That's the stuff. Come in, beastie. No, just skip in, that's all we've got at the moment. Options. Oh, paused it. My apologies. I mean, just what the hell are they? What the hell are they? Are they mechanical? Are they organic? Who knows? Now, I may not get very far in this because I'm just not good at this anymore. I wasn't super to begin with, but, you know, let's see how it goes, eh? Come on then, beast. Yes. As the mist clears, the eerie image of a forest forms in front of you. To the east, a vast plain extends towards the horizon. Westward, however, in the thick of the forest, 1,000 pairs of eyes pierce the mist glaring despondently back at you. They are despondent because they know that I will fail. Here we go. Oh yes. Punch and power. Woo! Let's see, right, so X jump. Square, punch, punch, punch. Triangle, punch, punch, punch. Huzzah! That's it, flying kick. Flying kick. Whoa! Damn it.
Angel, angel, what have I done? A face that quakes, the wind, the fire.
Hello, Arkon Rhys here, and as you see, we've just unlocked Origins, which is the original Shadow of the Beast. So let's see if we can put this on for Twitchers as well, and then we'll carry on. Okay, so we have here Shadow of the Beast Retro. Let's do new game. Oh, I haven't played this in like 20 years or something stupid. Oh, the old school music. Oh, I don't want to skip. Yes, an Amiga game by... What's that? Reflections, isn't it? Yes.